the old HORUSDY Allen key set, 30-piece set. I just want to show you what you get with this. Show you what I think is kind of neat. Here's the case itself, nice textured case. You got a little mount in the back there. The case itself is about 7.5 inches long by 5 inches wide. Should fit in a tool bag if we needed to. And you just open it up right here on the side, and there's your Allen keys. 15 standard, 15 metric. 0.028 going all the way up to 3/8 inch right here, and we've got 0.7 millimeters going all the way up to a 10 millimeter Allen wrench on here. And they've given this little tool here, which I actually think is kind of cool after messing with it a little bit. For instance, let's take this 6 millimeter Allen wrench on here. You know, you can locate the slot where it goes into. You can stick it through here. It pops out this side. If you wanted to, you could run it all the way into here, and you've basically got, you know, nice little wrench for leverage. And on that same note, you could stick it in this way and then spin this guy around, and you've got a nice little T-handle if you want to use it that way, which I think is kind of cool. Looks like it works on the metric side, but for the standard side, obviously the sizes are a little bit different. You're going to have some choices to make. You can still get some leverage on here, but it's going to be loose on the standard side unless you force it through here, and of course you don't want to do that. They lock into place. And another cool thing is too is if you've got a couple of these wrenches out laying around, each one's longer than the next one, so you know where to put them back in at just by length, which I think is kind of cool. There it is, the old HORUSDY professional 30-piece Allen wrench set.